Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Erica, also known as Spiritual Stylist on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this second wig that I got from Iseehair. Alright y'all, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. I have my second wig from Iseehair. I'm super excited. I already showed you guys the unboxing in my last video of my first wig that I got from them. They both came in the same box, so if you want to see the unboxing and my reviews on this company as far as that, definitely check out that video. I'll link it above. So this next wig that I got, I low-key forgot what I ordered because I literally haven't looked at the wig yet, so this will be my review. I did get a body wave. I was like, I can't remember if I got like curly hair, like a curly wet hair, or if I got a body wave. But I did. I got a body wave wig. So let's go ahead and get into this wig. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and just prep my hair underneath. Yes, Bonnet Babe is here today. Betty Bonnet, okay. She is here today. So I'm just putting foundation onto, well, not really foundation, it's bronzer, but I'm just putting makeup on to the actual wig cap, and I'm gonna go into my cream foundation to do that a little bit more. If you guys can hear rain, I'm so sorry. I am filming this in the middle of the hurricane, so I'm just go ahead and take her out. This is the wig. I think I can't remember what brand I got, but all the details will be linked below. And she does look plucked. Let's just try her on. Like, that's gonna be the deciding factor as to whether or not this wig is gonna do what it's supposed to do. So I see what I can do with this one. I see what I can do with this one. I can give it some layers. But I'm just going to show you guys fresh out of the box. I'm going to go ahead and comb her out. Low-key, these hair companies need to start sending us wigs styled. Like, the wig should be styled at this point. It is really thick and full. The hair does seem soft, so it's not really that full. I feel like I've had fuller, but this is more like a, definitely doing a 180 for sure. But it's cute. I kind of like it. Now you can see that out the box, y'all see what I see, right? Y'all see the lace. So we're gonna fix that. I'm trying to see if I want it to be like less forehead or more forehead. I think the more I pull it down on my forehead, the more you can see it. So I don't know. But the baby hairs, I definitely want to be right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some makeup on both sides of this wig. I'm gonna just take that same cream foundation that I used for my wig cap. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, ever when I'm reviewing these hair companies, you know, whether they decide to send me wigs and allow me to keep doing these reviews, mind you, this is not sponsored, so there's really no need for me to even be lying. But I just want to give like my honest opinion. I feel like that's the best way to go about it, because if the wig isn't wigging, then the wig isn't wigging. And I would want to see a YouTube video that's gonna tell me, no girl, go somewhere else or find a different hair company. But a lot of that right now we don't really see. So if it's gotta be me, then it's gotta be me, babe. But I'm just now applying the makeup to the front of the wig. I know y'all can't see, but that's what I'm doing. So that looks a little bit better. Yeah, that looks a little bit better.
All right, y'all, so the Glueless wig was not giving Glueless wig straight out the box, so we did go ahead and do some touch-ups to this wig so that it comes out looking natural and cute. One thing that I have learned was doing Glueless wigs, and I highly suggest you most definitely want to cut the lace, even though the lace comes quote unquote pre-cut, which it does. I don't know if they use the special type of design, the zigzag scissors, you know, those little cute scissors that you used to use when you wanted to make a little cute project for your mom. Yeah, those. I don't know if those are the ones that they use, but that's how the wig comes. It does, the lace does come in a zigzag motion. And yes, people say cut the lace in a zigzag motion, but not in a way to where it's absolutely like perfect lines each time. You want to cut zigzag so that it looks different on each part of the lace. You don't want to have still a straight zigzag line all across the lace, which is what you see here. So yeah, definitely make sure you cut your lace prior to install. That will help you 10 times, 100 times fold. Honestly, I really wish I would have did that. I did learn after installing this wig that it's probably better to just cut the lace, because I did go ahead and restyle it a second time, and I wanted to really focus on doing a glueless, and it actually came out a little bit better the second time around. But in this video I did go ahead and install this wig as a regular glue wig. So I did take my Touch by Missy temporary lace hold, and I sprayed that down, and I applied 2 layers. What I do is I spray down my 2 layers on my forehead. I let that dry using my blow dryer on cool, and then I attach the lace to my head, spray some more on top of the lace. Definitely tilt your head back and spray against your head. Don't lean your head forward. You want to tilt your head back or apply it using your finger to prevent the glue from dripping down, child, because I had glue all over my forehead, y'all. So yeah, so I just blow dried this on cool and attached it to the lace, and once I realized that it was completely dry, I took the back part of my comb and just made sure that it was stuck to the head. Next, I took my lace band, my elastic lace band, and I just let that sit for a good 15 minutes. Sometimes I do 20 if I just want to do something else. I went ahead and did 2 lace bands. The main reason is the lace band that they provided was not a really good lace band in regards to the length of elastic that they give you, or the length of the velcro that they give you. I really, whenever I want to use it, I always tie it down because the velcro is just not in the right place for this, for a more secure hold. It comes out really loose. So next, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair while that is glued down for a good 20 minutes. I start combing it out. I did do a review on y'all, I should have known then. I did do a review. Y'all will get why I said that in my next video. It'll be coming out literally in 2 days. But I did do a review on this wig, and I give you guys my honest opinion. Honestly, when I first installed it, I was like, okay, it's, looking back in retrospect, I definitely noticed something, but I couldn't really put my finger on it. But yeah, I'll explain it in the next video, y'all. Y'all will see it. I'm not gonna give y'all the tea just yet, but make sure y'all tune into the video, because so yeah, I went ahead and just cut some layers into the hair, and then I go ahead and style the hair taking my wand curler, and I just add a little bit of curls to it, not too much. I did put some concealer on my part so that you can't see the part where the cap is, but I do that towards the end of the video. And then I take my wax stick and I just apply that where I need to do my hot comb. So that is around the part, and also too around the hairline of the hair, around the part, and also too around the hairline of the hair. Then I go ahead and kind of deepen up my part a little bit more. I wanted it to be a little thicker. I'm not really a big fan of like super thin parts, because then you kind of can just see where the hair is. For me, like, I don't know, I just like it to be a little bit more space. So yeah, I'm just hot combing my hair at this point, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some makeup around my hairline. But first I'm gonna take that glue off of the hairline, okay? Because that's why I said, honestly y'all, that's why I said make sure you tilt your head back when you're applying it. But right now it's kind of looking good. I did go ahead and cut the lace, and I cut myself too as well, which is also another reason why I suggest cutting the lace prior to install, because that is a deep cut, babe. I was so mad at myself, and that's the burn, child. But anyways, y'all, I super duper loved these wand curls. They came out actually really cute. The length of the hair goes around my boob line. I'll put all the details of the wig at the description box, and that's all I got for y'all today, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.